Today we're going to show you guys how to light your oven and stove in your Palomino HS 2910 camper. So what we do here is there's 3 different knobs for each burner. We're going to turn this knob to light, and then you turn the ignite and it will ignite that. And make sure you turn it off light too, so you can have it on high, medium, and low. That's all you got to do for that. So next we're going to show you guys how to light the oven. The oven's a little more difficult because you have to get down in here to light it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to turn this knob onto pilot and hold it in, or push it in. And then we're going to get our lighter down here. So we lit the pilot, turn that up to the desired temperature, and the oven's going now.